Hello, in this video we're gonna check how all gestures and motions work on your Poco X5. And to do this you will need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings, enter gesture shortcuts, and now we can see them all. Let's check how they work. First one, launch Google Assistant by holding the power button for half a second. Let's try it. As you can see, it works fine. Next one is take a screenshot, and here we have two options: slide down with 3 fingers to make the screenshot, and also use volume down and power key to make a screenshot. Both of these features work fine. There's also partial screenshot. You can hold your 3 fingers onto the screen and then cut the portion of the screen you want to make a screenshot for. Next one is launch camera. Here you can enable 2 settings, but one replaces other setting, which I'm gonna explain later. Double press the power button to open a camera, or double press volume down when the screen is locked to also open a camera. Let's try to work them out. Double press power key. Here's a camera. And the next one is double press volume down key. So it doesn't work when your phone is unlocked, but it works in a lock mode. Next up we have the turn on torch. Double press the power button, which replaces the previous setting. That's what I mentioned. Replace it, and now we can double press the power button to open a to launch the enable the torch or flashlight, and double press again to close it. And the last feature we have is a custom gesture. Tap on it, and here you can pick what it will do. And let's go for the calculator, and you need to double tap fingerprint sensor to enable the calculator. Make sure not to press it, just double tap it like that. And here we have the calculator that we just chosen. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.